So would you like to get started with the actual Coinbase? I'm going to show you how to get started by using Coinbase Wallet. So guys, the very first thing you want to do is to download and install Coinbase Wallet. So first things first, let's download the application available for both iOS and Android devices. Or what you can do in this case, what I'm going to be doing here is to download the Coinbase Wallet as an actual extension. So once I make the actual download of the Coinbase, what I'm going to be doing here is to sign into my Coinbase wallet. That depends here until the upper side whether you have this or not. So in this case, I'm using a Chrome extension. So I'm going to choose this option that says download for Chrome. Now it's going to be sending me here into this new section where I need to here into Add to Chrome, or you can just download the application and sign it in. Now, once you actually make the downloaded or the extension directly inside your browser, what you want to do is to make sure that the extension is now appearing here. So as you can see, I have MetaMask, I have Trust Wallet, but I don't have Coinbase, so I can see that it appears now in here into the upper side. So this is the part where you want to get started by choosing Coinbase. I'm going to go here into extensions and I'm going to add this and pen this into the upper side. So now I'm going to choose this option. And now what I'm going to be doing here is to sign into my Coinbase. So whether you have an actual wallet or you already have an actual wallet. So if you want to create an actual wallet, it's going to be choosing this option. And here's going to be telling you 12 words that we need to save into some word save in order to sign in the next time and having that with actual cryptos. If you already have an actual wallet, then choose the option that says I already have an actual wallet and choose to let's say add a phrase, a recovery phrase, or an actual 12 phrase recovery word. So in this case, what I'm going to be doing here is to import my actual wallet or into recovery phrase. So just confirm the recovery phrase. Asks you to confirm the recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. So this step ensures that everything works smoothly. So I'm going to go and add my phrase really quick. And it's going to be asking you to create a passcode. This is for the next time you want to enter your wallet. For security reasons, the next time you wanted to enter, we needed to create an actual passcode. So you don't need to add once again your recovery secret phrase or your 12-word phrase. Just add the actual token, the passcode that you have generated there. And you're now going to be able directly to get started here into the Coinbase wallet. Now let's explore the Coinbase wallet interface. So with a quick tour of the Coinbase wallet, you may see the main screen displays your wallet balance and a list of supported cryptocurrencies. So at the bottom, you'll find the tabs of the home. You can see the cryptos, the NFTs. To add cryptocurrencies directly into your wallet, what you want to do is to get started, of course, and let's go here inside Coinbase. I choose Coinbase Wallet. And here what you can do is to, let's say for example, choose the option to add cryptos. I'm going to go for a buy. So you can add cryptos on Coinbase on ramp. So this one is going to be sending me into a new section where I can buy my cryptos. Of course, depending on the country I'm currently living, this might be eligible or I might not be eligible depending on where, once again, I'm actually currently living. Once you actually make this process, your account should be now having the funds directly into your wallet. To send money away directly into Coinbase, then choose the option to send received. Now let's say for example that I have the address for Solana, I have Bitcoin, I have Dogecoin, I have Litecoin, so I can go and choose the direction of the Ether for example, and I have this actual address. I need to provide this address to somebody else in order to receive my actual money. And now, of course, sending cryptocurrencies should be added here into send. So I can send all the exact amount and go for next. You want to make sure that you have Ether before you can make transactions on the Ethereum network. Depending on where is the actual element that you chose, you might be having to pay a little bit more or a little bit less directly into cryptocurrencies. And lastly, using the DApp browser. So you might be having the actual bridge to where you can see how we can send from more tokens into another one, depending on if this one is from one network or another one. Or we can just make the trade between one token that you currently have and one token that you wanted to have. For example, Ether, USDC, there's a Turbo, Ether, and so much more. So guys, the last thing I can show you is to secure your wallet. To enhance the security of your wallet, just go directly inside the settings into the configuration and tap into security. Directly here into security, what you can do is to enable options like a passcode, biometrics, fingerprints, face ID, extra layer protection, so regularly water to back out your wallet and keep your recovery phrase secure, guys. So with that being said, this is just like a broad way of how we can get started by creating an actual wallet directly inside the Coinbase application. This is something really easy, but just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully this was very useful for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to TechExpress for more crypto tutorials and tech tips. Now, if you have any question or need further assistance, you can leave a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.